Now, the determiner is an important noun modifier which introduces and provides context to a noun, often in terms of quantity and possession. Determiners in English preceded a noun or noun phrase and include articles, demonstratives, quantifiers and possessive. So you are seeing determiners are articles, demonstratives, quantifiers and possessive. So these are very important noun modifiers. With these determiners, we make our senses little more clearer. So let's see what is there in this session. Determiners are generally split into two groups, definite determiner and indefinite determiner. In the definite determiners, what we have? We have the, and in indefinite the articles are there, and in indefinite determiners we have a and n. Now determiners serve the same purpose as adjectives. So how it is very important, you know, the way we use adjective, it serves the same purposes. They are used to modify nouns. Now, subject pronouns. As you know, these are all subject. I am a boy, so I is a subject. You are a very good student, so you is a subject. He is going to school, so he is a subject pronoun. So all these subject pronouns and possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, etc., cannot be determiners because they can never be followed by a noun. Always remember, the pronoun determiners are always followed by noun, right? For example, a book. So, a is determiner, right? Because book is a noun. But you, home, we do not write. So, you is not determiner. These are all subject pronoun. Next, determiners in English. Now, definite articles the, indefinite articles a, n, demonstrative this, that, these, those. Always remember, after this we write noun. This book is mine. That house is hers. These people are doing their work. Now, those buildings are skyscrapers. So, you are seeing buildings, people, all these are noun. That means these are all determiners. Pronouns and possessive determiners. My book, my house, your pen, your cousin, your sister. See, noun are there every after these pronouns. His pen, her dress. So for example, if we use this for animal, so it's food. See, our project, their classroom. So we are seeing noun every after this, but earlier with subject pronoun we were not using noun, so they were not determiners. These are determiners. And then distributives, all of them. Okay, all books distribute all articles, right? Now, both the boys or both the girls. Now, half of the property or half of the cake. Noun is there. They are modifying noun. Either he or she. This is all what he or she, either Shyam or either Ram. You can write proper noun. Neither Sita nor Geeta. So here noun is there. Each girl, common noun. Everyone present in the house, every boy, whatsoever. Always you will find noun. So next time when we will go through these words, you just pay attention to the nouns. You will see always nouns there. So you can easily understand that these are determiners. Now difference words, other, another. Predeterminer, such, what, rather, quite. These are all modifying noun. Now numbers, one ball, two ball, 10 articles, 30 people. So in this way you are seeing noun everywhere. Interrogatives, what, whose and which. So these are all your determiners because we are modifying noun with them. Now what are the quantifiers? See, quantifiers are that shows quantity. When there is a small quantity, we use some, a little, any, enough. When there are large quantity, we write a lot of, a great deal of, much. When there are small numbers, we write some, a few. And where there are big numbers, we write many, a lot of. Now the articles. As you have seen articles, so I am explaining. Indefinite used before a singular and noun beginning with a consonant. See, A is used, and this is an indefinite article. This is used before a noun, with a noun. Before a noun, that noun starts with consonant. A ball, a boy, a girl, a house, right? A country, a man, whatsoever. And this is also indefinite, but it is used before singular beginning with a vowel. For example, an elephant, an artist, an opinion. So you are saying vowel is there in pronunciation also. An R. See, though it is starting with H, but pronunciation and R. H-O-U-R. And R. Right? Now next. The is a definite article used before singular and plural noun. The man, the capital, the models. So, definite articles, that means we are sure about the person or the thing. The man whom I have met yesterday, right, was a celebrity. Or the man whom I met yesterday is a music director, right? So the man. So now Delhi is the capital of India. The models, this is plural to the models. Here you are seeing, complete the following sentences using appropriate determiners. So here you are seeing, with countable nouns we use many, and with uncountable nouns we use much. So here there are two. Weeds is the subject. So what will you write? Weeds, much or many? There are flowering plants. So what will you write? Much or many? Now, how, pages is the subject. So how, what will you write? Many or much? They say knowledge. Knowledge is what? Little, a little, the little. I am having a lot of trouble passing my driving exams. So here these are the sentences. Now, little few people can afford a home these days. You have little few patience. She earns fewer money than I do. Now, some or many of the information proved to be outdated. I didn't use much or most or many fertilizer last spring. So, answers are given. Don't worry about that. So, here it is. Our garden looks awful this summer. There are too many weeds. Why there are too many weeds? Because weeds is an article and countable. We can count it, many. There aren't many flowering plants. How many pages did you read? They say a little knowledge, because knowledge is an abstract noun, a little knowledge. So here you are seeing, I am having a lot of trouble. Few people can afford. You have little patience. She earns less money. Some of the information proved to be some of the. I didn't use much fertilizer. So in this way you are seeing how we are using the thing. So in the next class we will come to, I will be here to teach you some more interesting facts of grammar. Till then, have a good revision and revise it again and again. Thank you.